Hi, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to show how to make green chicken. Now let's see the ingredients. 250 grams of chicken, few coriander leaves, few mint leaves, 4 spoons of oil, 1 lemon, 5 green chilies, salt as per taste and 4 red chilies. Let's start the procedure. First grind these 3 ingredients. First take a mixing bowl and add chicken. Squeeze the lemon. Add salt and the grinded mixture. And mix it well. Marinate it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take a vessel and add oil. Add red chilies and fry them. Add the marinated chicken. And stir it. Put the lid on. Cook it on low flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, stir it once. Now it is finally ready to serve. Our green chicken is ready. You can serve it with chapati and rice. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.